Hello everyone. Today I'm playing Monkey Obby. I think Monkey Obby is trying to say something. I think I'll just be stuck on this level for the rest of the video. And I think I'm going to do a new schedule for videos. Like I'm going to post 5 videos on weekdays, and like on Saturday and Sundays I'll post just an absurd amount of videos. I think that should be my new strategy basically, because I really need time to study. That is why. So please, could you all understand? But I'll post a lot of fun and interesting videos on the, like I'll record videos but I won't post them. Then on Saturdays and Sundays there will be a huge amount of videos. So I hope you like this new format. So now where do I have to go in Monkey Obby? Monkey Obby? Where do I have to go? Okay, so we have to go here. I would never have even thought about that. Okay. I wanted to invite my cousin sister Yvette, but she's not online. It's so hard. No. No. Okay. This is going to be tough. Okay, we go through other place. Then after that we have to. After that it is quite simple. Come on. Who knows what glitched out on my screen? I almost made it. I just keep falling. Who knows what happened with my screen just then? Please tell me if it was a glitch. what is happening with my screen. I really should get this fixed. I just walked too far. I think my cousin is playing right now. Yes, she is. Oh, I made it. I'm so happy. Happy, happy, happy. I'm so very happy. Happy, happy, happy. I'm so very happy. Are you sure we don't have to just go here? I think I could just skip. Yes. I skipped whatever parkour was there in just a easy thing. Let's see. Should I invite her? Yes, invite connections. Olivia. I don't think Yvonne is going to join. She joined me.
Should I play my cousin's game with the monkey? I don't know if I should do that so. I think you play that.
Wait, I'll just talk to her. Yvette, you just have to follow the arrows. Wait, I'll just come back.
There's no arrows. These.
Yes, those. Look, the ones which point here and there.
Oh, I think we want like a cross.
I feel like I've already been to this level. No, I have not been to this level.
Oh yeah, I did it. My cousin looks select. Yeah, I think so. You will declare. But yeah, I think I need for like section.
Oh,
So start one.
I made it. Oh, Bhavdeep!
Besides
I'm going back to the start.
oh, I see.
Spawn, reset.
And then see random device.
Does reset character not work? Bhavdeep, Bhavdeep. Where is the starting platform? There. Okay. I hope Bhavdeep reads the chat. Come on, go faster. Okay, I'll just go to the starting where I originated from. This wasn't there where I was there. Okay, so that's where I'm going to end the video. Bye.